This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajingmi ki Kynram hapo Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC hadirin ka jingwan shimti ka Executive Committee bathamai bala lam Khmat daki MDC ka Voice of the People Party VPP kalapen lang yaw ba Paul Lingdo Menteri Berikmi Yakatanat Social Welfare ka Sorkar Jilla haka arpo hunyaw tarik jilliw arja arpsan ban takranting halor kani nakabapen pau baki kam ki baret ru ki poishado upot baka yeng kasari kan hap pensange yaki order ka council. Kani kajing kran ubak Paul kadai kaba ulapin palang halor ki order wengkam yaki nongtre ke council ki bala tungpura dak isi berim. Kajing syak khang tala ki kerdap krong khajana ka KHADC haki Surok National Highway bar kajing mi ki Kynram haka sngis dang ka dorbar liur jong ka council. Nalor kani ubak Paul ula kentaj ru ya kajing kentho baki badon haka isi thamai kilong ki baklempat don ya kajing bet haka kam namar bau president ka seng jong kihi ula long teng u president ka HSPDP unong elam barat ba ka UDP bat ubadai ru unong mi Khmat hayeng dorbar thawan ka jella. Kani kalau pun long ru yo bak Paul ling do ban ong bagi nong elam ka seng san partai ki de ban pej banyak bhai ya ki nong mi Khmat haba ki Jied om baki chu shem da ki ba yo na Dhaba ni ki rot Surok ki ba pen I ya kajing bet ka bakrau.
Into a profession where you are expected to lead, you are expected to know rules, the laws, the various acts of the council. It should have been incumbent upon all elected MDCs to at least read the 6th schedule, read the various enactments, laws, rules, and I'm surprised that an ordinary situation would reach the High Court, and the High Court would say that why are you enforcing or issuing orders which do not have the test of the legal framework. So this is surprising to me.
So are you referring to the court order regarding the recent termination of the services of certain employees?
That is one. Two is setting up of a toll gate on national highway. Once you have a toll road, it's very obvious that the road was constructed and funded by the NHAI, which would then recover its investment by having the toll gates. Now, which authority on earth would allow another agency to also collect revenue and toll from a road on which it had invested and which I believe is yet to recover its investment? So these are fundamental issues. It doesn't require, a lot of experience. It's just plain common sense. See, if you talk of inexperience, the president of the VPP has been in the State Assembly, was the president of the HSPDP, was forefront leader of UDP. So how do you talk of inexperience?
Papa.
The executive committee president.
See, they are supposed to have some experience in public life. No, you don't pick up people from dhabas and roadside and dump them in the council. That's not done. It's an insult to the electorate. You see, there are certain things for which I really don't think I need to comment because it would be dignifying such a behavior. I think it's utterly devoid of logic, and at least let them read the rule book of the council.
But voting before tabling a budget has never happened in the history of the assembly.
See, you guys are in the media. Why don't you write about all these absurd, scenes?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.